literally 1 week on from planting these pumpkins into their larger pots, and they've already outgrown it. I mean, in case you can't remember, the variety is Big Max, so obviously it is a big variety anyway. You can see the roots coming to the surface out the pot, and these are 2 litre pots. I'm just going to go straight into these now. So these are, I think there are 12, shout if you see it. Oh yeah, 12 litre. Yeah, so these are 12 litre pots. So these 3 are going to go straight into there, exactly the same as last time. So bury them a little bit deeper to give you stem stability, and yeah, once they're planted, I'll do another top dressing with chicken pellets. So all I'll do is I'll just literally pot one, and you can see what I do. Right, hopefully you can see at this level. I mean, it's going to be a bit difficult, just the fact that we're dealing with much bigger plants now, so you're only probably going to see my hands, which might actually be the best bit sometimes. So you can see the volume of soil we got going in, filling probably about halfway, because it's a 12 litre. 12 litre doesn't necessarily equate to depth always. You know, you can see that obviously the pot is deeper, but it's also significantly wider. Just trying to get this out. That's totally full already. You'll notice that they've been kept a little bit on the dry side as well. That's basically because they're indoors, and I don't want them, it's the delicate bit, sorry, I don't want them to get any fungal issues whilst they're still indoors. Once they get outside, it'd be fine to get them, well, to give them a good drink. So what I'll do is I'll get these planted up, or potted up I should say. I'm just using the pot for make it quicker. Get these potted up, and then I'll move them outside, give them a drink before bringing them back in of a night time. It just, well, helps them to acclimatise for when they do move out. So as with last time, so you kind of get in the stem to the middle of your pot, half fill around your root ball, firm in, make sure you get it nice and secure, as you want to make sure you're getting all the air pockets out, and then fill up with some more compost. Looks like I'm going to have to go and get another bag of compost as well. So don't realise quite how much compost you're going to need until you start growing the plants. Well, from cutting stage or seedling stage you hardly get through anything, and then you come to potting up and you start going into obviously the bigger pots. I know it should be obvious, but when you start multiplying the amount of litres by the amount of plants, or litres of pot I should say, because that's how a pot's measured generally, is in the litre capacity of compost. But yeah, you start multiplying it up by the amount of plants you've actually got a pot, and you do get through some bags of compost. So right, so as you see, that's the first one potted up. It's now in its 12 litre pot. All I'm going to do is do a dressing of chicken pellets, and for that literally 1 palmful, like a whole palmful over the surface, and those pellets will break down as you're doing your watering. So I can get my head in there. So yeah, that's it. It's essentially just keep repeating this process now if you want to. Bit like the last video, and if you want to obviously plant them out, then you can plant straight from, well, you could plant this size or plant out if it's warm enough straight from the the old pot size. But for me, I'm in the 12 litre pots, and I'm going to grow them on the patio in the 12 litre pots. I haven't got space for planting these in the garden. So yeah, thanks for watching the video update. I will do another post when we see something other than just big formation of leaves. Any messages, just send them to me and I'll answer your questions for you. Please keep subscribing. It's nice to see some new people coming onto the channel. Don't forget to press the reminder button so you don't miss out on videos I'm doing. And yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.